Kung matagal ka nang nag-a-apply as a virtual assistant and feeling mo lost na lost ka na, most likely hindi ka lost. Kulang ka lang sa clarity. At i-clarify natin yung clarity mo ngayon. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Kung VA ka na or gusto mong maging virtual assistant tapos feeling mo ang galing-galing nung iba pero ikaw nag-guess ka pa din, hindi ka nag-iisa. Most VAs do not fail because tamad or bobo sila. Yung lahat ng nakita ko na sumuko na because they're not getting any success sa kanilang VA journey is because wala silang direction. Puro tools, puro trends, pero walang malinaw na role, na message, na strategy. Social media management is not about viral trends. It's about clarity. Clarity kung ano ang role mo. Clarity kung sino ang tutulungan mo. Clarity about the goal of the business. Bakit sila gumagamit ng social media. Clarity kung paano ka mag-offer ng service mo with confidence. And this is what we had in mind when we created the social media management and marketing class. And yes, 999 pesos lang siya. May kasama ng napaka-juicy na internship. And if social media management and marketing pero ang nasa isip mo pa rin is Canva, scheduler, wait. This is marketing. So we start with mindset. We start with psychology ng mga buyers. Kasi kung malinaw sa'yo to as a virtual assistant, as a social media manager, or as a social media marketer, sumusunod na yung skills. So after this class, makikita mo pag social media manager, hindi lang nagpo-post, hindi lang nagre-reply sa mga comments. You will think, speak, and work like a social media manager the clients trust. So kung pagod ka na makipag-guessing game sa mga clients at handa ka nang magkaroon ng clarity and direction sa iyong social media management and marketing journey, join our class that's happening on Saturday, that's January 31st from 1 till 9 p.m. Again, 999 pesos lang, may kasama ng internship. At para doon sa mga nagtatanong, pwede po bang gamitin yung mapapag-aralan para sa portfolio? Yes na yes na yes. To join the class, just click the link in my bio, click on SMM or comment SMM, and we'll go ahead and send you the link. Now let's start your social media management and marketing journey right. We'll see you sa classroom. Bye!